Good morning. Today chapter 9 Soil. Soil is a natural resource. It is the uppermost layer of Earth's crust in which plants grow. Soil supports the growth of plants by holding the roots and by supplying water and nutrients. Agriculture is based on soil, which gives us food, shelter and clothing. Now, soil formation. What is meant by weathering? Weathering is a very slow and gradual process during which parent rock materials breaks down into finer particles. Rocks expand when heated and contract when cooled. These changes cause the rock surface to break apart. Next, rainwater may become trapped in small crevices of the parent rock. During winter, these freezes into ice. The ice expands, producing a lateral pressure, causing the crevices in the rocks to further open up. Next, water. Continual movement of rain and river water in liquid form causes breaking down of rock materials into finer particles. Wind. Wind blowing across a rock surface also has an abrasive effect on the rocks. Minute rock particles are carried away by blowing wind and deposited elsewhere. And because of biological weathering also, weathering process takes place. For example, lichens, which produce acids which corrode the rocky surface and produce fine particles. And then roots of plants can now grow in the crevices of rocks, and the roots further weather the rocks and produce the soil. Organisms like microbes, algae, insects and earthworms grow and die in the soil. Dig a trench vertically down at a particular place. Along the sides of the trench, we can see several layers or horizons. The arrangement of these horizons is called the soil profile. Three layers are horizon A, horizon B, horizon C, at last one bedrock. Horizon A, otherwise called as topsoil, horizon B, subsoil, and horizon C, parent material. Bedrock, otherwise called as horizon D. First, A horizon. Here the A horizon is the uppermost layer of the soil. Can you able to distinguish the color of the soil between A and B? Look at this, up to this topsoil. Here this is subsoil, this is horizon B and this is horizon A. The horizon A is darker than the horizon B and horizon B is lighter than the horizon A. So the uppermost layer is the A horizon, otherwise called as topsoil. It is dark in color and it is rich in humus. What do you mean by humus? Humus means organic matter. Organic matter means the compound which contains carbon compounds. How we are getting the humus? Look at this. The dead leaves as well as the dead animals which are present on the soil gets decayed and thus the humus formed in the soil. The soil is very fertile, that means rich in nutrients because of these humus. And here the top layer is soft and porous. Porous means have holes and holds enough water. The roots of the plants is present in the topsoil. If it is tree, the root will go further deep into the B horizon. If it is small plants like this, it will be on the topsoil. If it is like tree, it will go till the B horizon. And living organisms like earthworm, insects, bacteria and fungi are present in this layer, that is in A horizon. Now B horizon, already we know that B horizon is otherwise called as subsoil, and this is light in color when compared to the A horizon. Look at the color. This is dark brown, this is somewhat lighter. That is called as B horizon. Here in B horizon it is more compact and harder, and it contains the soluble minerals and iron oxides. Remains on the dead plants and animals will not found on the subsoil. It is present on the topsoil only. So the humus is rich in topsoil, not in the B horizon, because of the dead plants and animals, which is present only on the top of the soil. Then the roots of the tall plants generally reach the B horizon. And here in B horizon very little organic matter is found. Already I told about organic matter means carbon containing compound. Now C horizon. Look at the C horizon, only full of rock materials. Here these are called as parent materials, represented by larger rock pieces. Below the C horizon, the rock. Can you able to see those big stones, rocks like this? This is called as bedrock. We cannot easily dug up the bedrocks.